Hey guys, happy Valentine's Day. So during my sleep last night, I was being bothered and bugged and pestered to bring forward this message for you guys. Now, you've heard me talk about the new system, and now that we have moved and shifted, there are some things that you need to know. And one of those things that I was bugged and pestered to bring forward for your awareness is about medication. So, as our systems are changing and as we're moving into more of energetics and more access to light and more upgrades to our cellular structures, we need to be more cognizant and aware of the way our body digests the medications that we're taking, particularly things like diabetes. There might be something that you're taking that you might be noticing you need more of or less of. And they're just letting me know to be mindful. It doesn't mean you need to come off them or run to your doctor. It just means start to bring that into your awareness that, hey, if I'm taking a sleep aid or if I'm taking something for anxiety or depression or my trauma symptoms, perhaps I'm being supported on the 5D side right now, and I don't need quite as much medication. Perhaps some of these symptoms I'm experiencing are symptoms of me being on the wrong dosage of this medication at this point in time. So, just to bring it into your awareness, just to bring it to the forefront, to just be mindful of the symptoms that you might be exhibiting, and to just put them together and think, is this medication related? Some people that have been on medications for lifetimes, it feels like, are going to start being nudged to, hey, have a little think about this. Do you need this still? Or is this a habit? Or is this something that you've just brought, it's just part of your routine, so it's just something you do? Does your body cellular structures still need to be taking this? And if the answer is yes, awesome. If you have any shame or guilt or embarrassment or hard feelings that you placed on yourself for taking medications, do the shadow work. That also is a piece that can come up to help us expand. So be kind to yourself, be loving to yourself, and be sure to share this with a friend so you can have more of these updates. Thanks, guys.